Jai Gurudev. Today we will start Unit 14 Biomolecules. Biomolecules is the branch of science which deals with the living system. Now, in biomolecules, first of all, we read about different types of carbohydrates. For example, monosaccharide. Monosaccharide, these are carbohydrates which cannot be dissociated further by adding water, or by when you add that in water. Glucose remains glucose in water. Disaccharides, which gives 2 units of monosaccharide. Disaccharide, which gives 3 units of monosaccharide. Disaccharides, for example, your sucrose. Sucrose, on addition of water, gives glucose and fructose. And polysaccharides, which gives several units of monosaccharide on hydrolysis. For example, starch. Now, in the preparation of glucose, your starch, if I take starch, n times of starch gives your n times of C6H12O6. So starch is the best way to prepare the starch on hydrolysis, gives you n times of glucose. So starch is the best way to prepare the glucose. Now structure of glucose. First of all, we are taking open chain structure, the bare structure. Now CHO group 1, aldehyde group. This is 1 carbon, 2 carbon, so that becomes 2 degree. 2, it is 4 2 degree OH group, and this is 1 degree. So 1 degree OH group. So this is the bare structure. Now in the evidence in support of the bare structure, open chain structure of glucose, first of all, the straight chain. Now glucose on prolonged heating with Hi, hydrogen iodide, it gives N-hexane. Since it is given open chain 6-membered carbon chain, so it is called glucose contains straight chain. Now next one is presence of carbonyl group. Now carbonyl group is either aldehyde or ketone. Now in presence of carbonyl group, if your glucose react with HCN, plus minus, so this minus part goes to carbon, and this negative takes hydrogen, this double bond becomes single bond. So that become this hydrogen carbon OH CN, CHOH 4 times, CH2OH. This is called cyanohydrin of glucose. So since it is react with HCN, means it contains carbonyl group. Now carbonyl group may be your aldehyde or may be your ketone. Now to check that one, we are reacting glucose with very weak oxidizing agent, bromine water. Now with bromine water, it reacts to give the gluconic acid. Now since it is react with the bromine water, so it contains, it is aldehyde, not ketone. So we have satisfied that one is aldehyde. Next one is presence of 5-OH group. Presence of 5-OH group. Now this is glucose, this is the 4-OH group and 1-OH group. How to produce the 5-OH group? You are reacting with the acetic anhydride. You have to take 5 molecules of acetic anhydride. Now acetic anhydride on reaction with the 4 molecules of acetic anhydride attached to this one and 1 molecule attached to this one. The 5 molecules are utilized. So by this we can say that it contains 5-OH group. Now 5-OH group, this is your secondary and this is your primary. How will prove that primary OH group is there? For this we have taken that gluconic acid, that one react with the nitric acid, forming your glutaric acid. Both the part become acid. So with nitric acid only 1 degree alcohol reacts. So alcohol reacts to give acid. So we confirm that that one contains 1 degree alcohol. So up to this, next class we will take the different types of structures of glucose.